Yeah, supposedly we got a tornado here in Stuart. I'm trying to look right now. Said it came up Stuart Road and it's crossing I-80. I'm getting a lot of leaves blowing. It's starting to blow a lot harder now. The sirens were going, they just went off. They shut off. It's starting to blow a lot harder than it was. It's raining. I don't see any like swirls or rotation in the clouds. It's darker over here. To the west, it's darker and the clouds are like broke up over here. I don't know. It looked like it was to the east of Stuart Road. And they said it was coming across I-80, which is only 2 blocks from here. The clouds are real low to the ground. That doesn't look good. Yeah, it's blowing a lot more than it was a minute ago. It was real calm. And now it's blowing real hard. I think they were more or less talking about some circulation in the clouds, but there was word of a tornado on the ground. I haven't seen anything yet. Of course, the trees are blocking a lot of the view from here and on the back porch. I don't see any debris or anything like that, just leaves blowing around. It's calming down now.